for January 2021. Time to go for a run. It's a chilly 35 degrees out. It feels a little bit cooler than that, but I think it's a great morning. You have a great day. Today's run is motivated and inspired by Lieutenant Junior Grade Warren Boles MIA 1968. Find your motivation. Thank you for your service and sacrifice. On a unique note, I watched a little bit of the Carbon X2 Hoka Hoka One Carbon X2 100-kilometer race record attempt. It's a great watch. I don't know what those ladies and gentlemen, their motivations are, but whatever it is, I'm sure it's pure and intentional for them to go out and try to win some records. Have a great day. A nice little sidewalk to run on here, or bike path. This guy finished up his little lot here. He's got a plastic garage and little mini home and a pond and a garden. Nice little spot. Well, 13.1 at a average 8:19 pace. That was a good run for the day.